Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix the Madden 24 solo battles not working. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So the first method is you can restart the Madden 24. I know it sounds simple, but sometimes all it takes is restarting the game and trying again. So when people encountered the "our servers cannot process your request at this time, please try again later" error, restarted the Xbox and tried solo battles again. So this time it works. So it is possible this may be the solution for you. So the second method is to update the Madden 24 to current version. So another possible solution to solo battles not working is updating the game to the current version. So EA released a day one patch for Madden 24, and if your console doesn't have automatic updates turned on, this could be why the mode is not working correctly. So check for an update by heading into the information section of the Madden 24 app on your console. And then next, what you can do is to check the internet connection. So solo battles require internet connection. So essential to ensure your internet speed is the highest it can be. So if your Wi-Fi or Ethernet is lower than usual, just restart your modem and router. Usually, restarting the router will cause the internet to come back stronger than before. So possibly fixing solo battles not working. And then lastly, what you can do is to check the EA server status. So EA is usually pretty great at keeping the community in the loop regarding the Madden error. So make sure that you keep up to the date on its server so you can keep track on their server status or information and updates regarding this specific mode by following the official X account for the Madden 24. And if you want a quicker response, just feel free to reach out to the EA customer support and submit a ticket. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.